I run all day and all night. In the summer, in the winter, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, never stopping for you and your family. Must keep going.
Your heating and cooling system is not invincible. Without regular maintenance, unexpected breakdowns may occur, leading to costly repairs. You may even be voiding your system's warranty.
I'm sure I'll be fine. Charlie horse.
Let's get you fixed up.
Scheduled maintenance is a good idea to keep your system running at its peak. During a tune-up, your system will be inspected, cleaned, and adjusted, restoring it to factory-fresh settings, adding years to its life. Please, eliminate safety hazards, protect your family, reduce energy waste, and make the world a better place.
Good as new.